Okay, we have a Haas vertical machining center model super mini mill. Serial number 43875. Machine was new in 2005. We're going to run her for you. Machine has the full enclosure. Right now it's running at 2,000 RPM. The machine goes up to 10,000 RPM. It's a Cat 40 spindle. 6,000 RPM. You have a 10 tool capacity automatic tool changer. 9,000 RPM. All right. Simulate a tool change, or actually do a tool change. Great. Okay. The T-slotted table is 12 by 36. You have 16 inches of X travel, 12 of Y, and 10 of Z. 3,500 pound, machine weighs 3,500 pounds. Okay, that's your Y, and that's your Z. Weight covers all axes, rigid tapping, and you have a coolant system. And that's it. Hey, thank you for watching our video.